Today we review the MB Boutique Hotel in Nerja.
We get a luxurious upgrade and we check out the Rooftop Spa.
We're here at the MB Boutique Hotel here in Nerja. We're just about to go in to find out if the exceptional 9.2 rating from hotels.com is founded. So let's go in and see.
So we've had some good news. We checked in, we've been upgraded, so it'll be lovely to see what this room has.
We've been told it's a junior suite, so let's go and see.
Go. Oh, look at that. A fancy.
Oh my.
Wow.
Oh my God, this is incredible. A junior suite.
Well, this is great. How lovely is this? Oh, 2 televisions.
Oh, so comfortable after last night's pod. This is absolutely living the dream. We booked this about half an hour ago on hotels.com, and we booked a standard queen room, and the good news when we got to reception was we've upgraded you to a junior suite. This is really nice as well. So you get different colours you can have behind your bed. Great controls. What a beautiful bed. Definitely got a fantastic sleep here tonight after last night's pod hotel, which wasn't too bad, but this is a different level. Then we've got a PlayStation, speakers, remotes, and a massive telly. I think that must be about 80 inches. Absolutely huge. Get a nice coffee maker, all different pods. And what's really good is there's actually instructions this time to actually show you how to work one of these, because I don't think I've actually ever managed to work one yet. So that is an added bonus. Look at this, it's just a nice wee area. Just you can sit in here and have a nice coffee in the club.
You can.
This is stunning, isn't it? Then working way along here with a fantastic jacuzzi bath. Stunning. We'll definitely get in that later on. Some lovely products. This is a stunner of a hotel, and to be in a junior suite is fantastic. Feel so lucky to be here, and for the hotel to give us an upgrade, it's stunning. Real nice quality gowns, just when you come out the jacuzzi, or you can go on the jacuzzi on the roof as well, which is open to 2 AM, so maybe try that later as well. And some nice slippers at the bottom. Fantastic, they've thought about everything.
This will do nicely.
This will absolutely do nicely. Thank you so much to the MB Boutique Hotel for the upgrade. This is an absolute dream. They've got a roof terrace, so let's go upstairs and see it. I think I'll get a wee jacuzzi test. Oh, nice and warm.
Yeah.
I think that'll do really well for later on tonight. It's open till 2 o'clock in the morning. So
Fabulous.
I'm sure there'll be a bit more ambience with some nice mood lighting later on tonight.
I think this is a shower. Look at this for a shower. Ah. I didn't expect that.
I dare you to, Nicola.
I'll do it later on when... I'll do that later on when I've got my costume on. It's stunning to see the mountains behind us, really nice. And something I'm noticing about Nerja is it's quite low rise. So we're on a roof terrace, which is really nice, but we're not super high and we're not surrounded by anything higher than us. It's attractive.
This is, behind me here is the National Park of Sierra Nevada. It's about 20 degrees today, but you can also go up there and ski, which is incredible as well. And I don't think a lot of people think you can ski in Spain, but Sierra Nevada is renowned for great skiing.
We've not really got the weather today for the sunbeds, but if you come in a different time of year, hopefully you would make use of them.
Maybe get a wee cruise campo later. Oh, fabulous. €1.
In addition to the vending machines, they've got coffee machines and snacks available all day. We've returned back to our hotel after dinner, and now we're heading to the spa.
We have been blown away with this hotel. It is fantastic, and what a brilliant place to spend the evening. 9.2 on hotel.com and 9.4 on booking.com. It deserves its rating. It's phenomenal.
It really does. But we're going to leave you here and get ourselves into this spa. So good night everyone, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.